Opposition to the Vietnam War because the voting rights helped to lower the voting age for federal elections. During the Vietnam War, there was opposition to sending boys between 18 and 21 to the front. This was because the death rate for those in the war was increasing and because the voting age at the time was 21, while the boys being drafted could be as young as 18. This was seen as undemocratic because men who had no say in their government were being asked to fight in a war. Trying to lower the age in order to make the draft of young men more democratic was difficult. Though the people wanted it, it was hard to convince the government to amend the Constitution. Congress had attempted to lower the voting age many times before the Vietnam War. Starting around the 1940s, they started to create resolutions and acts like the Voting Rights Act, proposing that the voting age start at 18. During the war, student activism picked up. Associations like the National Education Association banded together with other organizations, creating the Youth Franchise Coalition, aiming to get the Constitution amended. Eventually, Congress passed an act saying that citizens 18 and up could register as voters, but it was opposed by state governments because they felt that their rights to control the elections were taken. This is seen in the Oregon versus Mitchell case. The government responded to the citizens' want for change by creating the 26th Amendment. The Senate voted unanimously in favor of it, and it was passed by Congress in March of 1971 and signed into law by President Nixon. It stated that the federal but not state voting age would be lowered to 18.